Hello, my name is Ángela Maritza Gómez Correa. I am from Málaga, Santander. I am a student psychology. Introduction of the place. Paipa is a municipality located in the department of Boyacá. It is located in the center of Colombia. Paipa is a municipality with a warm climate, with beautiful place to enjoy. Paipa is the sixth most inhabited municipality in the municipality of Boyacá, there with the monuments to the six lancers, among other monuments on the most tourist place. Others recognized and visited in the beautiful municipality is the Vargas Reservoir and pools with thermal waters on the other, and Paipa is characterized in the typical food zones as almohavana, cassab breads, and others things for which recommend you to visit this beautiful municipality and enjoy its wonders. Duration of the trip. The tour to Paipa Boyacá and the short relations vacations will last their days and 2 nights. Means of transport. During this trip and stay in the municipality of Paipa Boyacá, we will be using means of transport such as bus, boat, and motorcycle. Activities to do. Tourists during this trip will be able to take a tour of the municipality, get to know its beaches and urban area, as well as take a fun boat ride on Lake Xochagota, enjoy the night and the disco jets to know the monuments, swimming pools, taste the delicious meals. Place to stay. The accommodation will be at the Paipa Star Hotel, which is the most recognized in the municipality and hosted by its visit. This hotel is located on the shores of Lake Xochagota as a spectacular web restaurant, TV, Wi-Fi, jacuzzi, tubs, spa, and much more. Typical foods. The meals that are attached with delicious soup, such as the with sancoch, corn soups with spice, and chill the tried the most delicious steak, barbecue with bread chick, orange chick, delicious almohavana bread of yuca, and much more different week, chick, masato. Thank you very much.